Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new lesson in which I'll try to teach you as simple as I can the key concepts regarding pirates. As you can see, I've put here some images I found on the internet. These are just the common pirate stereotypes, and I want you to think about these when you begin drawing. They share some things, such as the swords, the eye patches, the hats, or the bandanas, and also the fact that they look a bit untidy. However, the style of these illustrations is different and much simpler than I wanted, but it's okay. So, guys, what about the hats? It's very easy to do. Just draw half a circle and a couple of horns, and then you have it. You can use it for a captain or for any other character. Don't forget the skull because it's a very recurring element. Then, the bandanas that are used to cover the head are usually worn by lower range pirates. As a general rule, only captains wear hats. It's just a matter of ranking and hierarchy aboard the ship. In these reference images you can see on the screen, you'll see that it's only the kid who's wearing the bandana. And here's a simple way to draw a hook. Just draw a circle and two rectangular shapes. That's it, very easy. Right now I'm just drawing the features that I mentioned before so that you can see how you can draw them. Here's another one, a wooden leg. Both the pirate on the left and the one on the right have wooden legs. Actually, it's a very distinctive element of these characters. And guys, I'm sure that as soon as you hear the word pirate, you think of the eye patch, the sword, the parrot, the wooden leg, some missing teeth, or even golden tooth. Things like these. And this would be a simple way to represent a sword. You know, pirates always have a sword. Well, the kit has a wooden sword, so you can simplify it even more. You can try drawing the blades of a knife that you have at home. If it has a slightly rounded tip, even better. After that, you just have to add some little details to complete the drawing. Okay, let's pick the color. And well, as you can see, this is not so difficult. Just go adding geometrical shapes that represent those details I told you before, so that you end up having a better looking sword. And well, these would be the typical objects that complement your character. And now the parrot. I never fully understood why pirates carry a parrot with them, actually. I guess because it's an exotic and colorful animal. I know that it's so funny to see how these birds repeat time and time again whatever the parrot says. We can also find other animals and movies, and they act as pets for the pirates in their adventures. They usually are monkeys or parrots. I think it's because these animals are smart enough to be useful when attacking or assaulting the enemies. I don't know. Anyway, they are just pets, and for example, in the case of the parrot, it's an exotic and colorful animal. I don't know much about this, but given that many of the pirates' adventures take place in the Caribbean islands, it might be that the pirates simply found these animals there. I think it's like a way of showing off what kind of animal they can have. And also, parrots repeat whatever they hear, so it's a plus. Well, guys, I've just showed you a quick way of drawing a parrot using geometrical shapes. So I hope that it can be useful for you if you want to add a parrot to your drawing. See you in the next lesson!